There's little Austin gonna eat my boot. And there's Annie's food. And there's the puppies. Oh, there goes Dallas. There goes the other babies. Yeah, it's num num time. Oh, so good. So good. This is the back of their new doggy house. That's the air conditioner. I feed them behind it because the air conditioner has an exhaust and it keeps the flies off of their food. There's their water, which they try to swim in, which they have a swimming pool, as you can see out there. And there's their old dog crate that Annie still uses sometimes. And then here is the front of their new dog house. It's 4x4 by 4 feet tall. And when they go to Alaska, I have a Great Pyrenees that's going to be using this. She usually stays on the deck, but I would really like for her to have shelter. And everybody's getting a drink. Yeah. Yep. Just gave them fresh water this morning. See the mud? And there's the puppy water bowl. Muddy. Little feet. Such sweet babies. I'm hoping putting that towel up there. I had a dog door, but they're not real crazy about a dog door, so I put that towel up there to get them accustomed to maybe using a doggy door. But there's babies watching mama, and here's babies licking my legs. Yep, chewing on my boots. Oh, there we go. Precious babies. They're beginning to play some with the ball, and they're getting very active. And Annie has taught them to no longer pee or poop in the house. They go outside now. Yep. And in Texas, I use these water coolers to water all my animals because otherwise the water gets up to over 100 degrees. And if I put them in the ice chest, it stays cool all day. Well, Carol, I'm going to miss these guys, but I can't wait until you get to see them. Bye-bye.